How to make a shirt in Roblox. You can literally make pants, shirts and more clothing without using Photoshop, and you can also do this on your mobile phone as well as your PC. I was looking around at some other videos on this topic and they're quite outdated, a lot of them are quite old, and since then Roblox has changed the menus, they've done a lot of stuff which kind of makes them videos out of date, and I am making the new updated tutorial on how to make shirts on Roblox. Now, I know for a fact there will be some people in the comments down below that will be saying like, oh, it didn't work, and it's because you did not watch the full video. Because at the same time, this video is simple, but at the same time, you do really need to follow along. So I suggest you to not skip any part of this video, just make sure you watch the full video in full, and by the end of it, you will literally have a full-on shirt to wear in Roblox. Because at the end of the day, this is how to make a shirt in Roblox. Also, really quickly, if you want to be like one of these lucky people from last video, like this person right here getting 100,000 Robux, all you guys gotta do is drop your Roblox usernames down below, leave a like and subscribe. Now first off, you want to go onto the home page right here and then press create. Now from here, it may look a bit different for what you might be seeing right now, and if it comes up like this, it will say like a lot of this stuff right here. All you want to do is press manage my experiences, and then it should look a bit like this. Now this is where they've actually updated it. They've made it really like kind of confusing, I guess, but a lot more kind of simple for all of it in one place. But what you want to do from here is go right here and press avatar items. Now obviously this will show some of the shirts that I made, just very random actually, but yeah, so shirts right here, and then of course pants. Obviously we're here to make a shirt, so these are some of the shirts that I have actually made right here. I don't know why I put that for so much, but yeah. So what you want to do from here is to press this button right here, upload asset, and then from here you want to press learn more. So you don't want to do anything from here, you want to press learn more. Now from here, it will say a lot of this writing. All you want to do from here is to scroll down, and you will see these little template boxes, and you want to save one of these. Obviously by the hint, one says right arm, one says right leg, left leg. So obviously this is for your pants, and obviously this is for your shirts. So obviously I'm going to save this one right here. So you want to right click and then press save image as, and then just save as whatever really. Once you saved it, you can actually look down as well, just to get yourself like a little hint. Like as you see right here, this is what it will look like kinda, and this is kind of the outcome. Again from here, this is what it will look like, and it will look like that pretty much. Maybe like it gives you like a little, some tips I guess on this page for you to like have a look really. Now from here, you want to go onto your internet and search up a website called Photopea. Now what this is pretty much a free program that you can actually use. It does not cost anything at all, and it's completely free. So this is what it actually looks like once you go onto the website. So what you want to press is press open from computer, and you want to try find a template that you just saved. So obviously the template is right here for me, so I'm going to open this up. Now this is what it will look like. Now it does look quite intimidating, like there's a lot of buttons that you might not know what to do, but first of all, make sure you press this right here, transform controls. And obviously, you want to have a look at the picture itself. So obviously the right arm, so this will be the right arm, and this is kind of what it looks like on the actual pitch. Your right arm is your right arm right here, and you kind of get the feel of what it actually looks like on the outcome. Now first off, what you want to do from here is to go to your toolbox right here, and where it says it's a little magic wand kind of emoji, you want to right click on this and then press quick selection. Now from here, what you need to do is highlight these little boxes, these colored boxes, and then press delete. Once you do that, just do it on all of them, and it should look a bit like this, like a little like hexagon kind of, like white and grey hexagons. Now it should look a bit like this from here, and if you want to get rid of these little square boxes that are still highlighted, all you want to do is press Ctrl D. So from this, now what do these white and grey boxes mean? Well, pretty much say if they're not filled out with like whatever colour or whatever pictures you want, they will be covered. Well, pretty much afterwards, if they're still like this, then that'll be the skin of like your Roblox character pretty much. So pretty much you want the bottom of your arms to pretty much be this right here. You want to leave it because that'll be the skin of your Roblox character, and you want to leave like a tiny bit at the bottom as this like little colour as well, just so it's your like the bit of the skin on the like the sleeves kinda. Now this is where you let your imagination go beyond pretty much. Now you can design anything, remember. Obviously I'm going to make a quick kind of t-shirt just to show you what it looks like. Now from here, you want to just search up whatever you want. Now I want just like a texture just for like the hoodie, I guess. I'm probably going to make a hoodie or something like that. And what you want to do is search it up and then go to images right here. And it will show you a bunch of images that you can look around and see what you like. So I just want to, let's just go for this first one. And what you want to do is open it up and then press right click and then press save image as. And obviously just save it as your image, I guess. So now from here, you want to go back onto Photopea and then press file. From here, you want to press open and place. And then of course, find the image right here. Now obviously you want this to be in the background of the template, so what you want to do is go here, and obviously these are called layers, so you want to put this one right here. So obviously this is the hoodie texture that I added, and I want to drag this down below the template and it will look a bit like this. As you see right here, it looks pretty cool. And then from the transform controls, you can now just make it whatever size you want. If you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, it doesn't really matter. Now, yeah, it's pretty good to be fair. I think this looks pretty good so far. So you want to do from here is just press the little tick box right here, and then boom, it will look a bit like this. Now remember, this is the right arm and the left arm, so you want to do like to leave like a little bit, like a tiny bit at the bottom right here, because obviously this will be like the little sleeve where your arm comes out of. So you obviously you don't just have like a black hoodie hands or whatever. You do actually have the skin of your Roblox character, so you want to leave like a little bit like this right here. Let's just pretend that this is the final design. Let's say I'm happy with what I've made. What you want to do from here is to press file and then press export as, and then export as PNG right here. And obviously you just press save and you should save. Yes, it has saved. Alright, let's go back on Roblox. Now I'm back on Roblox. I want to press at the top create. From here, obviously I want to go to my avatar items. And obviously you want to go onto what you made. So if you made pants, you want to go into pants. If you made a t-shirt, you want to make t-shirts. And then on shirts, obviously I made a shirt, so you want to press on shirts and then press upload asset. From here, you want to press on this little box right here where it says upload. And then I want to put the image that I put on, the template that I made right here with the hoodie. And then now you can name the t-shirt, obviously, or the hoodie. Or the shirt, I mean, pretty much, because this is how to make a shirt actually. Black hoodie, and then description, let's just put hoodie, and then press upload, and then let's just press upload right here. But yeah, now this is the final design. This is what it looks like. Now, it looks awful. Obviously, I made it within like 2 minutes, just for the video's sake purposes, obviously. But I'm sure with your imagination, guys, you can make something amazing. Now, obviously, from the white and grey boxes that I showed you, my hands are not the same as this right here, because it does do that if you just fill out everything. Like, if you fill out the whole thing black, you'll have black hands, for example. So, yeah, now it looks pretty good, I guess. It's alright, I guess.